One of the key driving factors behind the emergence and rapid adoption of HTML5 in the last couple of years has been mobile platforms, and many of the technical features built into HTML5 are ideal for mobile applications. For example, geolocation, multi-threading, local storage, offline working, WebSockets, audio, video, and so on. Now, if you're going to be creating a mobile web application using HTML5, there are several excellent toolkits available. I've got some examples here. We'll have a quick look at the websites, and then we'll have a look at a sample application built using jQuery Mobile. So we have jQuery Mobile, something called Wink Toolkit, and then Sencha Touch, and NimbleKit. So let me just give you a quick run through some of the capabilities and technical features of these toolkits. Other toolkits are available as well, but these ones are widely used. So first of all, jQuery Mobile. This is based on the popular jQuery and jQuery UI JavaScript libraries, and they support all the major mobile device platforms, including Apple iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone 7, Palm Web OS, and Symbian. It's pure HTML5 with JavaScript and CSS. Very easy to use, very intuitive. Next we have Wink Toolkit. This is also a lightweight JavaScript toolkit using pure HTML5, JavaScript and CSS. Platforms supported by Wink include Apple iOS, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows Phone 7. And then we have Sencha Touch. So the target platforms for this include Apple iOS, Android, BlackBerry, and Kindle Fire. It also gives you support to native hardware features as well, based on an HTML5 framework. And then finally, we have NimbleKit. This targets Apple devices, iPhones, iTouch, iPad, based on HTML5 and JavaScript, and it uses a Mac as a development platform. So these are some of the toolkits available. Let me show you a simple example that illustrates how you can build an application using jQuery Mobile. So what I have here is Firefox. It shows index.html. You can have a look at this example yourself if you want to. All the files are in the project files folder. Index.html defines the user interface. There's some JavaScript that implements the logic behind the user interface. And then there's data.js, which stores data in local storage. So this is what it looks like. We have a page which lists various courses that you might want to provide as a course training provider. For each of these courses, I can click on this link to get the details. So let me click on the HTML5 link, and it displays another page giving me detailed information. These are all JavaScript objects underneath the surface being displayed using paragraphs on a web page. So each course has an ID and a duration, and a flag indicating whether this particular course leads to certification, because lots of training courses help you to pass an exam at the end. I can go back to the original page. I can create a new course. Let's say I wanted to have a course on C++. So that's a text box. Here we have a range, or slider if you like. So let's say the C++ course is going to be 5 days. I can say that the C++ course does or doesn't lead to certification, and then I can click Save to go back to the original page. So it looks very much like a mobile application. It's built using pure HTML and the jQuery mobile library. So it's possible to achieve some hugely impressive effects by using pure HTML5 and one of these mobile toolkits.